How to show battery percentage on your iPhone in iOS 26? Here's the easiest way to do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap Battery. Here, you'll see an option called Battery Percentage. Simply turn on the toggle next to Battery Percentage. Once enabled, you'll see the remaining battery percentage displayed inside the battery icon in the top right corner of your screen. If you'd like an even larger battery display, you can also add the batteries widget to your home screen. To do that, press and hold on an empty area of your home screen until the apps start to jiggle. Then tap Edit in the top left corner. Search for or select batteries from the widget list. Choose the widget size you prefer and tap Add Widget. The Batteries widget can also show the battery levels of connected devices like AirPods, Apple Watch, and other compatible accessories. That's it. You can now quickly see your battery percentage directly from your status bar or home screen. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.